Don't forget today's word. It's going to come in handy when I will compare another word against it in a couple of days. Now, in Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have the word unutmak. Unutmak. Unutmak is to forget, to leave out, to omit, or to overlook, neglect. Let's use these in some phrases first. To forget a name, to forget to call, to omit a detail, to overlook or neglect one's duties. Let's see. Adı unutmak. Ad is a name. Adı some specific particular name. Unutmak. Zeng etmeyi unutmak. Zeng etmek is to call. To forget to call, zeng etmeyi unutmak. Bir detalı unutmak. To omit a detail means over here you just left it out but not on purpose, okay? Bir detal, a detail, one detail. Vazifeleri unutmak. Vazife, duty, vazifeler, duties. Vazifeleri unutmak. Somebody forget their duties. Again, not on purpose. Now, let's use some of these in sentences. Bu seher evden çıkanda sənə zəng etməyi unuttum və buna görə vacib məlumatı səndən ala bilmədim. Pay attention. Let's go back a little. Unutmak, unuttum. I'll explain. Let's translate first. When I left home this morning, I forgot to call you. And because of that, I couldn't get the important information from you. See what happened to the word unutmak, because unutmak is infinitive form, to forget, but you need more specific forms. In this case, I forgot. That's why the mag suffix drops and comes instead dum. So unutmak, to forget. Unuttu, past tense, he, she, it, forgot. Unuttum, I forgot. Now, bu seher, this morning, evden çıkanda, when I left home, sənə zəng etməyi unuttum. I forgot to call you. Və buna görə, and because of that, that is why, vacib məlumatı, the important information, vacib important məlumat information, səndən ala bilmədim. From you, səndən ala bilmədim, I couldn't get. All right? Let's try another version.